Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. Beneath the sleek surface of Remo's new Go-Kart proving ground lies a masterclass in compact precision paving. With 7 tight hairpin curves, some with inner radii as narrow as 1 meter, and cross slopes reaching 20%, the track layout posed formidable demands on both man and machine. Meeting this challenge head-on, contractor Ossenberg deployed a pair of Vogel Super 1303-3 compact wheeled pavers, engineered for maximum maneuverability in confined, complex geometries. Equipped with AB 340 TV extending screeds and bolt-on extensions, both machines executed hot-on-hot paving, delivering seamless transitions between asphalt layers across widths varying from 5.8 to 9 meters. The wheeled design, combined with Vogel's pivot steer steering brake, allowed for ultra-tight radius control, ensuring precise screed placement, even along stone gutters and wall edges. Operators benefited from the intuitive Ergo Plus 3 platform, offering real-time visibility and responsive control over every critical function of both the paver and screed. Material was laid with extraordinary uniformity. Surface evenness, longitudinal consistency, and compaction were tightly maintained throughout each curve and straightaway. Despite the complexity of the alignment, no surface distortions or level deviations were reported. The outcome, an ultra-smooth, technically flawless track, proved ideal for high-speed karting dynamics. For both paving crews and Remo engineers, this project was a showcase of Vogel's high-precision paving in extreme applications. In the heart of the Geopark Ries, near Nordlingen and Oettingen, an 8-kilometer stretch of the B466 road is undergoing binder and surface course rehabilitation. The project is executed using the DSHV method, hot-on-hot paving of thin layers over sealant, eliminating curing time for bitumen emulsion and allowing quicker reopening to traffic. Two Vogel Super 1800-3i sprayjet pavers, each equipped with AB 500 TV extending screeds, apply a 1.2 to 2 centimeters thin surface course at 4 meters per minute. The integrated sprayjet technology ensures uniform binder application, 0.5 kilograms per square meter, with minimal overspray and optimal layer bonding. Each paver uses 5 spray bars strategically positioned for full coverage. The sprayjet module is fully integrated into the Ergo Plus 3 operating system, featuring touchscreen control and automatic process sequencing for efficient handling. Continuous material supply is ensured by a Vogel Montana 3000-2i offset power feeder, feeding both pavers simultaneously. This uninterrupted operation is essential for achieving high surface evenness and durability. The modular design allows quick conversion of the sprayjet paver into a standard model, enhancing flexibility for future projects. The method significantly reduces material usage and environmental impact while meeting high performance and durability standards. The Tannhauser Straßen und Tiefbau GmbH team demonstrates efficient deployment of Vogel's third-generation technology, reinforcing their commitment to quality and maintaining optimal traffic flow during construction. In this project by Precision Striping Inc., the team uses a thermoplastic road marking machine to apply durable crosswalk lines on 54th Street in San Diego. Once the pavement is prepared, the thermoplastic material is loaded into a heated hopper of the striping machine. The machine heats the material to a molten state and extrudes it through a screed or ribbon gun, forming crisp, uniform lines directly onto the asphalt. The operator carefully guides the machine along the marked layout, ensuring accuracy and consistency. While the material is still hot, this method guarantees a precise, long-lasting crosswalk, especially suitable for high-traffic intersections. Painting an electric vehicle, EV, handicap parking stall requires clear planning and precision. First, the surface is cleaned thoroughly to remove debris and ensure proper paint adhesion. Using stencils, layout markings for the handicap symbol, EV icon, and lettering such as EV charging only. High durability traffic paint, often in blue, white, and green, is applied in layers. Reflective glass beads may be added for nighttime visibility. Final touch-ups ensure sharp edges and clean finishes. The result is a clearly marked, compliant, and accessible parking stall, enhancing both accessibility and EV support in public and private lots. Painting a bicycle symbol on the road without a stencil is done using simple tools. First, clean the road surface thoroughly to ensure good paint adhesion. Next, use chalk and a straight ruler or measuring tape to sketch the bicycle shape, including the wheels, frame, and handlebars. This step requires attention to proportion and alignment. Allow the paint to dry completely before opening the lane to bicycle or vehicle traffic. Imagine road markings that install quickly, last for years, and glow brightly even at night. Preformed TCG turns this vision into reality, combining speed, precision, and unmatched durability in one advanced thermoplastic solution. How does it work so efficiently? Let's take a closer look. The application of Preformed TCG preformed thermoplastic road markings follows a clear and efficient process to ensure long-term durability and visibility. Begin by outlining the symbol with chalk directly on the road surface to mark the correct position. Before applying the material, always preheat the pavement, regardless of the season, to eliminate any residual moisture that may interfere with adhesion. The surface must be clean and free from oils, dust, or chemical contaminants. Next, apply a uniform coat of the manufacturer-recommended primer across the entire application area. This bonding agent is essential for securing the thermoplastic material to the pavement, whether asphalt or concrete. The preformed pieces of the cymbal are assembled according to the manufacturer's layout instructions. Once positioned, use a propane torch to evenly heat the material until it melts slightly and fuses with the surface below. Immediately after melting, while the material is still hot, sprinkle reflective glass beads over the entire surface to enhance nighttime visibility through retroreflection. Allow the marking to cool naturally and ensure that it has fully bonded to the pavement. This method delivers precise, wear-resistant, and high-contrast road symbols suitable for pedestrian crossings, speed limits, bike lanes, and more. Ideal for use in high-traffic environments where clarity and long-term performance are critical. Brick design crosswalks offer a visually appealing, cost-effective alternative to traditional brick pavers. Installed on roads like North Orlando Parkway, Westmoreland, and Edgewater, they utilize color-safe MMA pavement markings. This high-definition system features pre-packaged aggregate for easy application and excellent skid resistance. Durable under both bicycle and vehicle traffic, color-safe cures quickly in various temperatures, extending installation seasons and maximizing productivity. These vibrant, long-lasting crosswalks enhance safety and appearance without the cost of real brick paving. QTS Group specializes in the installation of tactile paving to enhance accessibility and pedestrian safety. Initial steps involve surface preparation, ensuring the area is clean and level. Tactile tiles are then accurately aligned and bonded, using a high-strength adhesive, suitable for concrete or asphalt. Once positioned, each tile is pressed firmly to ensure full contact. Edges are sealed with weather-resistant silicone for durability. The result is a slip-resistant, high-visibility guidance surface that meets accessibility standards. In Roanoke Rapids, Traffic Patterns XD by Ennis FLINT APPG brand was used to create decorative, durable surface markings that combine visual appeal with safety. Designed for crosswalks, intersections, and public spaces, Traffic Patterns XD is a heavy-duty preformed thermoplastic that bonds to asphalt through heat. It offers high skid resistance, UV stability, and long-lasting color. Ideal for traffic-calmed areas, this system enhances visibility while maintaining structural integrity under vehicular load, making streets safer and more attractive in urban environments like Roanoke Rapids. Preformed TCG by Metalback and Farb is a high-durability preformed thermoplastic road marking solution designed for use in high-traffic areas such as highways, city roads, and intersections. It is ideal for creating pedestrian crossings, speed limits, bicycle lanes, parking zones, and other visually critical traffic markings. Preformed TCG comes in various forms: lines, arrows, letters, numbers, and standard traffic signs, and also supports custom designs like logos, symbols, or educational playground games. The material ensures long-term performance, excellent daytime visibility, and strong nighttime retro-reflection, enhancing road safety and efficiency for all users while allowing quick and efficient on-site application. The Cycle Hoop Cycle Lane Delineator is a durable, high-visibility traffic separator designed to define and protect cycle lanes. Featuring smooth, rounded edges and reflective strips, it ensures cyclist safety while allowing flexible entry and exit from the lane. Installation is versatile, either angled or inline, to suit various layouts. Constructed from 100% recycled PVC sourced from cable sheathing and pipes, the delineator promotes sustainability by reducing landfill waste and carbon dioxide emissions. Easy to install and maintain, it offers a practical, eco-conscious solution for enhancing urban cycling infrastructure and improving road user separation without compromising accessibility. The H25 IVC from Irwe was deployed on Germany's second-largest motorway construction project, the A44 between Kassel and Eisenach, where a future 4-lane expansion is underway. This rock-crushing compactor, equipped with 150 heavy-duty cutting tools, is capable of breaking down meter-sized boulders and compacting the fractured material in a single pass. Its specialized drum design with vibration crusher VC technology ensures simultaneous crushing and compaction, streamlining the groundwork process. A flexible tool holder system allows the quick interchange of cutting tools, adapting the machine for various tasks, from road and earthworks to tunnel and rockway preparation. This versatility makes the H25 IVC ideal for demanding terrain where hard substrate or rocky surfaces would typically require separate crushing and compaction steps. With high compaction performance, reliable operation, and reduced machine requirements, the H25 IVC offers a powerful, time-saving solution for large-scale infrastructure projects, ensuring efficient progress even in the most rugged geological conditions. High comments. When racetrack precision meets public infrastructure, the results are transformational. Silverstone pavement technology, famed for creating ultra-smooth surfaces for high-speed racing, is now being adapted for the UK highway network. Tarmac's innovative approach combines advanced paving techniques with site-specific flexibility, optimizing each phase of the resurfacing operation to suit road conditions, budget, and end-use requirements. Machine control lies at the heart of this system, guiding both milling and paving with digital design models and minimal human interface. Multiplex milling enhances level precision by employing 3 sensors instead of 1, smoothing out surface irregularities before paving. Mill Assist optimizes drum and travel speeds for a fine milled finish that resists undulation. LiDAR scanning is then used to detect sub-millimeter deviations, ensuring foundation integrity before the next layer is placed. Transfer vehicles, feeders, maintain a constant asphalt flow between delivery trucks and pavers, eliminating contact-induced surface bumps and enabling uninterrupted paving. Averaging beams extend the level control zone to 13 meters, refining smoothness further, especially when paired with feeders. Echelon paving removes longitudinal joints entirely by paving lanes simultaneously, boosting joint durability. Thermal imaging ensures compaction temperatures are met uniformly, while BPO software manages haulage logistics for optimal speed and efficiency. This comprehensive suite of technologies has delivered record-setting results, achieving an IRI, International Roughness Index, below 0.4 in controlled tunnel test tracks, rivaling racetracks. On the A55 in Wales, multi-layer surfacing using polymer-modified binders and a SAMI-layer minimized reflective cracking on jointed concrete bases. The strategic blend of materials science and digital precision provides exceptional durability, acoustic performance, and safety. Whether for autonomous vehicle testing or high-volume trunk roads, Tarmac's approach signals a new standard in road surfacing excellence. In High Point, North Carolina, Ennis Flint by PPG carried out a crosswalk installation using Premark preformed thermoplastic materials. The process began with surface preparation, ensuring the asphalt was clean, dry, and free of debris. A Premark sealer was applied as a primer to improve adhesion, especially on concrete surfaces. Once the layout was positioned, Premark sheets, pre-cut to standard crosswalk patterns, were placed onto the surface. A propane torch was used to apply direct heat, melting the material until it fully bonded with the pavement and showed visible bond indicators. To enhance nighttime visibility and durability, glass beads were immediately broadcast over the molten surface. The result is a high-contrast, long-lasting crosswalk, compliant with MUTCD standards. The WJ Group provides a wide range of technical solutions for road marking and surface treatment, focusing on precision, durability, and regulatory compliance. Their marking methods include hand-screed, joint-screed, and extrusion, suitable for long-lasting permanent road markings. For high-performance applications, methyl methacrylate (MMA) materials are used, offering enhanced skid and slip resistance under varying traffic and weather conditions. Preformed systems such as Topmark and Weather Grip are installed for specific zones requiring increased visibility or texture. Marking removal and surface preparation are carried out using hydroblast technology for retexturing or full removal, along with mechanical scarification, scarbble, for deeper surface restoration. In terms of road studs, the group installs milled studs, Guardian safety studs, and Alex retro-reflective units, each fitted using standard recessed or surface mount methods. All procedures are executed under strict technical protocols to meet road safety standards. Soft Stop Barrier System by Laser Vision is an innovative virtual safety barrier designed to prevent overheight vehicles from entering restricted zones, like tunnels. After repeated incidents in Sydney's Harbour Tunnel, where drivers ignored flashing signs and warnings, authorities sought a solution that could stop traffic without physical impact at high speeds. SoftStop projects a dramatic water curtain combined with laser-illuminated stop signs, creating a visual barrier that drivers instinctively avoid. While highly visible and effective at deterring unauthorized entry, emergency services can still pass through the barrier without obstruction. SoftStop offers a non-physical, high-impact method to reduce accidents and save lives. A-Safe Traffic Gate delivers exceptional impact resistance up to 15,750 kilojoules, protecting dock zones and segregating vehicles from pedestrians. Designed with a gas-assisted lift mechanism, impact tested with a 3,230 kilograms vehicle at 11.12 kilometers per hour, it enhances safety and operational flow. Berkman's Smart Pedestrian Crosswalk integrates advanced safety and detection technologies for urban mobility. Featuring backlit LED crosswalk signs, pole LED lights, speakers, and a central control unit, it operates 24/7 to alert both drivers and pedestrians. With real-time pedestrian and vehicle detection, it enhances visibility and reaction time. Built with GDPR-compliant architecture and top-tier cybersecurity standards, it ensures safe, private, and efficient crossings. Ideal for smart cities, the system improves safety without compromising data integrity or operational continuity. Saris Infrastructure offers 3 bike repair stations: the Deluxe Public Work Stand, and Public Toolbox, all available in powder-coated, galvanized, or stainless steel finishes. ADA and CE certified, these stations provide free public access to essential bike repair tools like tire levers, pedal and cone wrenches, T25 Torx, and hex keys. Tools are secured with braided stainless steel aircraft cables for durability and theft resistance. Thoughtfully arranged to avoid tangling, Each station includes mounting hardware and an integrated bike hanger, offering an ergonomic repair height for users of all sizes. Premark Preformed Thermoplastic by Ennis Flint offers durable dotted and solid lane markings for airfields. Designed for Part 139 and GA airports, it ensures safety, longevity, and resistance to fuels and de-icers. Applied exclusively by certified applicators, it's ideal for taxiways, aprons, and aircraft parking. Alex Road Studs by WJ offer exceptional retroreflectivity and wet night visibility. Made in the UK from recycled aluminum, they're durable, abrasion-resistant, and sustainable. With a minimal 32mm installation hole, they ensure clear delineation with low road surface impact. Discover BRADYLINE, the ultimate line marking solution for precise, durable results. Ideal for parking lots, warehouses, and industrial facilities, the Brady Line Marker uses high-resistance aerosol paint that dries to the touch in just 5 minutes and is traffic-ready within 4 hours. Easy to assemble and operate, it can trace up to 110 meters or 11 parking spaces with one can. Its robust frame and fixed wheels ensure straight, clean lines on various surfaces. NSF certified and available in 6 colors. ColorSafe MMA is a high-performance, manually applied green bike lane marking solution designed for safer streets. It delivers high-definition color, enhanced visibility, and a durable anti-skid surface ideal for both asphalt and concrete. Supplied with pre-packaged aggregate, it's easy to apply, no special equipment or external heat needed. Fast curing across a wide temperature range, it withstands heavy bike and vehicle traffic, making it a cost-effective safety upgrade for pedestrian and cycling zones. TMP's cycle lane bollards, posts, and curbs are designed for quick installation and effective cycle lane delineation. Options include picture signs in 300mm or 150mm sizes with LED illumination and reboundable materials. The EVOS Solar version offers fast bolt-down installation and flexible impact response. City Post and FG300 Post provide high visibility and cyclist safety. FGK Curb systems, including X2, X3, and continuous curved sections, allow fast, efficient installation, even around corners, creating durable, low-profile segregation between vehicle and cycle lanes. The ELLUMIN Intelligent Pedestrian System enhances road safety using smart detection and lighting technologies. Available in countryside, solar-powered, and city, grid-powered types, it features edge-lit signs, pedestrian fill lights, voice alerts, and thermal imaging detectors. With visibility up to 500 meters, cloud analysis, and embedded flashing road studs, it offers 24/7 automated detection and alerts, no extra lighting required. The Illumin Intelligent Tunnel Guide Mark provides auxiliary lighting, vehicle visual positioning, and occupancy alarms, featuring always-on white light and dynamic color changes, from yellow to red or white to red. It alerts drivers when non-motor vehicles occupy the tunnel, enhancing safety and guiding traffic flow in real time. The Illumin Overheight Limit Detecting Warning System uses LED warning signs and voice alarms to alert overheight vehicles approaching restricted road sections, enhancing safety and preventing collisions with overhead structures. Southeast of Stuttgart, Kutter GmbH undertakes a major resurfacing operation on a 4-kilometer stretch of the A8 near Wendlingen and Kirchheim. Both carriageways are reconstructed using Vogel's advanced inline paving technology. 2 synchronized paving convoys each placed binder and surface courses in a single pass using Super 2100-2GP and Super 2100-3I pavers, achieving seamless interlocked asphalt layers across the 15.3-meter width. This hot-on-hot paving method ensures a uniform layer bond without cold joints. Powerful Vogel Montana 3002i standard feeders supply the pavers with material at up to 1,200 tons per hour, guided by a traffic light system to alternate between binder and surface materials. Heated pivoting conveyors distribute the asphalt efficiently, while Super 1800-3 pavers handle the surface layer placement in line. At the core of each convoy, the binder pavers are equipped with AB600 TV extending screeds with tamper and pressure bar technology. This setup achieves up to 98% pre-compaction, enabling the surface layer to be laid directly on top without further compaction passes. Vogel's infrared temperature scanning system ensures consistent asphalt temperature across the full width, with GPS-integrated real-time monitoring displayed via the Ergo+3 console. This integrated system guarantees smooth surface quality, longevity, and optimal density. Cutter praises the performance and user-friendliness of Vogel technology, which increases speed, reduces costs, and raises road durability. Truly top-tier paving. On roads across the country, one problem keeps coming back: potholes. But a revolutionary product is changing the way we repair them. Introducing American Road Patch, a durable, adhesive-backed solution designed for fast, long-lasting pothole repairs. Developed over 5 years and awarded multiple patents, this advanced patching system adheres directly to the road, forming a watertight seal that prevents water infiltration, extending the life of the repair for years. Unlike traditional methods that often fail within weeks, American Road Patch delivers maintenance-free performance, even on high-traffic roadways. Installation is simple. Clean the area, apply cold mix, place the patch, and torch if needed. No lane closures, minimal labor, and immediate traffic readiness. Trusted by engineers and municipalities, it's already making a difference on county roads, city streets, and even driveways. Manufactured in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and distributed nationwide, American Road Patch saves time, reduces costs, and improves safety. With proven durability and ease of use, it's the future of pothole repair, sealing problems for good. ELLUMIN road stud installation begins by isolating all power sources. Ensure the road surface is level. Repair any damage beforehand. Cut a 15 mm wide, 60 mm deep channel, and drill holes 170 mm in diameter and 100 mm deep. Apply recommended glue into the hole, position the road stud with its lighted side facing traffic, and insert protective rubber padding into the channel. Secure the cable using chemical glue, and allow at least 2 hours for full curing before activation. Flint by PPG Premark is a durable, preformed thermoplastic pavement marking system. For proper application, first prepare the surface and ensure it's completely dry. Next, position the Premark material in place. Using a propane heat torch, apply heat evenly until the material bonds with the surface and conforms completely. On concrete surfaces, Premark sealer must be applied beforehand for optimal adhesion. The result is a long-lasting, high-visibility marking ideal for roads, crosswalks, and industrial areas. Vivaden addresses these issues by activating only when necessary. It can be programmed to rise during high pedestrian density hours and retract to allow emergency vehicles to pass smoothly, avoiding delays and impacts. The unit is compliant with traffic calming regulations and engineered to minimize wear and maintenance. With a height of less than 20 centimeters, Vividen requires minimal civil work and can be installed on roads from 3 to 11.4 meters wide. Its modular design ensures adaptability to varying speed limits and urban layouts. Thermoplastic FP Mr. Plan by Metalback and Farb is a high-performance, cold plastic road marking material based on methyl methacrylate, MMA. Manually applied in 2 components, it's ideal for horizontal markings such as pedestrian crossings, bike lanes, and parking spaces. Suitable for both asphalt and concrete, it offers strong adhesion, excellent visibility, and high resistance to snowplows, wear, and temperature changes. Reflective glass beads are applied at the end to enhance nighttime retroreflection and improve safety in all conditions. Heated paver driveway installation begins by laying Danfoss GX snow melting mats over a 1-inch stone bedding. Install snow melting mats over the driveway's bedding layer. Add moisture and temperature sensors, then run conduit to a central junction. Finally, install the relay box following schematics. The NOKIN Intelligent Pedestrian Crosswalk System enhances safety with traffic lights, smart road studs, a control box, and a camera. Using LoRa technology, it detects pedestrians and activates road studs in real time to alert oncoming vehicles. On the UK's strategic road network, Highways England has introduced the Falcon Automated Cone Laying Machine, ACLM, a game-changing innovation that improves worker safety and boosts efficiency. Designed by Highway Care and SENN Engineering, the Falcon can deploy or collect a traffic cone every 10 seconds, entirely via remote control from the cab, eliminating the need for workers to manually handle cones in live traffic. With precision spacing, GPS integration, and high reliability, the system has already laid over 57,000 cones on motorways like the M25. It represents a major leap forward in reducing risk and revolutionizing temporary traffic management. Thermoplastic FP Mr. Plan is a durable, cold plastic road marking material by Metalback and Farb, based on methyl methacrylate, MMA. This 2-component system is ideal for longitudinal markings via extrusion, as well as transverse signs like pedestrian crossings, bike lanes, and parking spaces. Renowned for its long-lasting performance, Thermoplastic Plan is highly resistant to wear and deformation, making it the perfect choice for high-traffic roads and highways. Its superior adhesion and visibility ensure safety, while reducing the frequency of remarking, even under harsh weather and heavy-duty conditions. The plastic jersey barrier, folding PE guard wall, is a modular, lightweight safety solution ideal for traffic control and construction zones. Available in red or marble pattern, these foldable barriers feature easy interlocking for fast connection, stackable storage, and a built-in drainage cap. Accessories such as screen fences, delineators, and winker hoses connect seamlessly using designated brackets. With quick installation and multiple configuration options, the system adapts to various site conditions, offering durability, visibility, and reliable performance in diverse safety applications. PPG Experimental Orange Work Zone markings are advanced, high-performance materials designed for enhanced visibility and durability in complex work zones. Engineered with specialized pigments and retroreflective elements, they exceed 600 millicandelas per lux per square meter, maintaining brightness on both asphalt and concrete. Suitable for high ADT areas, these markings offer 12 to 18 months of service life. Compatible with standard application equipment, they bond securely to surfaces and resist abrasion, UV, and moisture. Supplemented by orange RPMs, they ensure clear lane guidance. Their high contrast improves driver awareness, reducing confusion and increasing safety for both motorists and construction personnel. Step-safe surface-applied ADA-detectable warning mats provide reliable tactile warning surfaces for visually impaired pedestrians. Installation is quick and simple. Position the mat on the designated area, mask its edges, then remove the mat. Mix the supplied adhesive thoroughly and spread it evenly across the surface. Reapply the mat carefully, aligning it in place. After securing it, remove the masking tape and clean any excess material. Finally, apply silicone caulk along the mat edges to seal and finish the installation for long-term durability and compliance. Traffic Tech's Automated Rapid Movable Barrier, ARMB, deploys in under 60 seconds to redirect traffic from accident or work zones. Integrated with EcoStructure by Schneider Electric, above-ground tire killers are robust traffic control devices designed to prevent unauthorized vehicle entry. Constructed from high-strength steel, they feature sharp, spring-loaded spikes that puncture tires when driven over in the wrong direction. These systems are surface-mounted, making installation fast and non-invasive. Often used in high-security zones like military facilities, government buildings, and toll plazas, they offer reliable one-way traffic enforcement and deterrence against forced entry. At Armathwaite, emergency embankment repair works were completed by QTS on the Settle to Carlisle Railway during a 52-hour blockade. After a slope failure, a 5 mph speed restriction was imposed while monitoring was conducted. A 35-ton long-reach excavator, operating from a temporary platform, removed 880 tons of failed material. This was loaded into trailers and transported by QTSRRV units to a compound, then transferred into wagons for disposal at a licensed tip. To rebuild the embankment, soil benches were cut into the slope to improve structural interlock. A geotechnical separator was installed to divide the soil from the newly imported 6G aggregate. Over 800 tons of 6G stone was delivered by rail and used to restore the embankment's stability and prevent further failures. Cold in-place recycling, CIPR, is a sustainable road rehabilitation technique that reconstructs deteriorated asphalt pavement directly on site. The process begins with a computer-controlled truck, spreading approximately 20 pounds per square yard of Portland cement, or FL yash, onto the existing roadway. Next, a milling machine removes 4 to 5 inches of the old asphalt. The material passes through crushers and screens, then mixes with liquid asphalt emulsion stored in an adjacent tanker. The resulting blend is transferred to a paver's hopper, where it's combined with FL yash and lime, then reapplied to the roadbed at the correct grade. The reclaimed material is compacted using pneumatic tire or vibratory steel wheel rollers, requiring minimal crew oversight due to automation. After 24 hours of curing, the recycled base is topped with a BST or thin HMA overlay, followed by a tack coat to ensure a strong bond with the final surface. Along Germany's B16 near Unterhausen, an innovative pilot project demonstrated a groundbreaking method in road rehabilitation, compact asphalt paving. Over a stretch of 3.3 kilometers, this dual-layer method combined speed and durability by installing 2 asphalt layers in a single operation within just 30 hours. The preparation started with a 1,000 horsepower cold milling machine, removing the worn asphalt layers down to a residual depth of 9 centimeters. More than 10,000 tons of milled material were transported to 3 local asphalt mixing plants, Genderkingen, Ebenhausen, and Augsburg. There, the reclaimed asphalt was sorted, crushed, and integrated into new asphalt mixtures, ensuring both sustainability and high material performance. The reconstructed pavement consisted of an 8,600-ton AC32TS base layer and a 1,320-ton SMA8S surface layer. Using a specially developed compact asphalt paver, both layers were laid simultaneously using the hot-on-hot technique. This ensured optimal bonding, long-term durability, and high deformation resistance. Throughout the process, laser-guided precision, temperature controls, and real-time compaction monitoring were employed. Transponders embedded in the pavement recorded temperature and compaction data, while ultrasonic sensors ensured consistent surface flatness. Edge sealing followed to prevent moisture intrusion. Finally, white reflective road markings were applied, and the road was reopened to traffic on schedule. This pilot showcased how compact asphalt can significantly reduce construction time, enhance road safety, and deliver exceptional long-term performance. What if the walls around you were lighter, stronger, and smarter than they seem? Hidden inside homes and high-rises across the UK, Durox Aircrete blocks are quietly reshaping construction. But how are they made? And why are they trusted for over 50 years? At the Durox plant in Linford, the production of Aircrete blocks begins with the precise blending of raw materials, including silica sand, lime, cement, aluminum powder, and anhydrite. Silica sand, the main component, is finely milled into slurry in a rotating ball mill with water and recycled slurry. This mix is stored in agitated silos to prevent settling. Next, the slurry is pumped to a mixing tower, where it is combined with other dry ingredients and aluminum powder. The resulting mixture is poured into large molds which move to a heated chamber for a 3.5-hour rise and set process. Here, the aluminum reacts with alkaline compounds to release hydrogen bubbles, creating a lightweight cellular structure. The hardened green cake is cut into precise block sizes using oscillating wires, then transferred to autoclaves. Inside these 50-meter-long chambers, the blocks are steam-cured under 200 degrees Celsius and 11 bar pressure for 9 to 11 hours, achieving full strength and durability. After cooling, blocks are automatically depalletized, grouped into 6 packs per cake, and shrink-wrapped by robotic systems for weather protection. Every stage is digitally monitored to ensure consistent dimensions, compressive strength, and product quality. Durox blocks are lightweight, fire-resistant, thermally efficient, and easy to install, ideal for sustainable, high-performance construction. Their size reduces joint quantity, saving mortar and enhancing insulation properties. Certified to ISO 9001 and BES 6001 standards, Durox remains a benchmark in modern masonry. A spectacular demolition unfolds in Duisburg, showcasing raw power and precision. A Liebherr R 974 demolition excavator takes on a massive industrial structure. Equipped with a long-reach boom and a powerful demolition shear, the machine dismantles reinforced concrete and steel frameworks with remarkable control. The process proceeds level by level, as floors, support beams, and facade elements are systematically removed. The Liebherr R 974 delivers exceptional reach and responsive handling, essential for working in the confined space of the facility. Supporting equipment such as wheel loaders and long front excavators assist in sorting and transporting debris. This project highlights the effectiveness of modern demolition techniques, where heavy machinery, expert planning, and operator skill combine to ensure safety, efficiency, and structural control throughout the operation. Tarmac's walking floor vehicle offers enhanced efficiency with a 26-ton carrying capacity, surpassing the 20 tons of a traditional 8-wheeler. It reduces vehicle movements and lowers carbon dioxide emissions. The vehicle's increased maneuverability and low-profile body allow for safe operation in confined spaces without tipping. With discharge times comparable to an articulated lorry, it provides fast, stable unloading, making it ideal for urban or restricted access sites where space and safety are critical. Easy line striping delivers a mesmerizing scene, one man guiding a road marking machine with the grace of an artist. Each movement is smooth and precise, as the wheels glide effortlessly along the path, leaving behind a crisp, flawless white line. There's no rush, no mistakes, just pure focus and mastery. The paint flows evenly, each stripe perfectly straight, like strokes on a canvas. It's more than just marking a road. It's a performance of precision and control. Viewers are left captivated, watching in awe, as something so routine becomes unexpectedly beautiful and deeply satisfying. The Mersey Gateway Bridge surfacing involved advanced asphalt technology and tight coordination. Tarmac laid 200,000 tons of materials, including CBGM, subbase, and a durable surface course with pre-coated chippings, ideal for waterproofing on bridge decks. Due to unpredictable estuary weather, radar monitoring guided daily operations. Elevated conditions demanded strict wind and temperature controls for asphalt laying. Local batching plants supplied material efficiently, enabling outputs of up to 1,600 tons per day. Surface crowning ensured effective drainage, while rolling patterns delivered consistent compaction. Safety briefings and adaptive planning helped maintain progress, making this a technically challenging yet highly successful project. ULTIPATCHSITEMIX delivers fresh, batch-heated asphalt on demand, ensuring maximum workability and compaction quality. Mixed directly on-site, it eliminates waste by producing only the exact amount needed for each repair. With shorter heating times, it boosts productivity while reducing fuel costs. Packaged in bags for easy handling, it removes the need for asphalt plant collections, ideal for highways and footways. ULTIPATCHSITEMIX delivers fresh, batch-heated asphalt on demand, ensuring maximum workability and compaction quality. Mixed directly on-site, it eliminates waste by producing only the exact amount needed for each repair. With shorter heating times, it boosts productivity while reducing fuel costs. Packaged in bags for easy handling, it removes the need for asphalt plant collections, ideal for highways and footways.